Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is what happens when a guy down the street agrees to sell me his antenna for $6. Sorry, make that 10. This is from the 1970s. That is a good and Channelmaster rotator, a CCTV camera, an 11.5-foot long antenna, and a smart channel Omnidirectional on top. This will mount on top of a 22-foot pole that will be mounted on top of mated to a 12-foot 4x6 piece of wood. That should give me enough height to get really good reception. We will just have to see how good this thing does. It just keeps going and going and going. We'll see what it does. In order to get it properly balanced, I had to give it the bolt. It was the only way to get it right. .75 to 300 ohm transformer, I believe it is. A good antenna rotator. The box that you see is the antenna combiner. That's two antennas combined into one. And I got the CCTV antenna for 18 bucks. Couldn't resist it. We'll have to see what it does. Of course, since I can rotate the antenna, that means I can rotate the camera.